Hi everyone, Sarah here today, and I am playing with the Sweet Summer kit. I had an unboxing recently on my channel of this, and I'm gonna make my first layout. I have actually scrapbooked this paper, and if you've been watching my channel, I'm kind of re-scrapping some of my photos. It's actually not for me. My mom has an 8.5 by 11 album that I have been doing layouts for quite a while. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking some of the pictures that I have printed for her or that she already had printed, and I am redoing those pictures. I'm scrapbooking for her so that she has them for her album because she doesn't scrapbook as much anymore. So that's what I'm doing. I went ahead and used that cut apart sheet, and I used 3 of them to layer behind my photo. This is my youngest daughter a couple years ago baking cookies, something we always love to do. She just made cookies this past Sunday. I'm sorry, not cookies, brownies. This past Sunday, and I'll have to document that as well. She did it really, really well. I went ahead and fussy cut a few of those flowers out from that sticker sheet, and I thought I was going to use these. I'm kind of just messing with everything because I'm kind of getting agitated with it. I don't want so much covered. I want some more flowers. And so I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut a couple more of those out. And then I'm going to flip how these sit because I was not liking the way it was looking. I've got the wood grain right behind the photo, the little bit of pink, and I stuck the piece that I had punched out with my punch on the left-hand side instead of the right. I'm going to cut something else out, and I'm trying to figure out what... Oh, it's a plate of cookies. I have that little bitty one right there, and I was going to use it, but I figured, why not go with the bigger one? So I added the bigger one to the bottom left. I added that cute little saying down there. I really like these chipboard pieces that are in here with the sayings on it. I had planned to use that blue mixed media over there from Shimmers, but I had a little accident, and one of my pieces of paper got stuck to another one that I'd already added gesso to. So it was, it didn't happen. Hopefully within my next one. But I'm going to go ahead and add these splatters on this one, and I'll roll it with my paper towel roll here in a second. But I wanted to use some of this. It's so cute. I'm loving the mixed media, even if I'm not doing a ton of it right now. I'm hoping to add quite a bit more to some of my layouts to come. But I'm going to go ahead and actually start sticking things down now because I have a fairly good idea what I want, and I did cut that flower out so I can fussy cut it later if I decide I want to, because I'll do that and I will use them. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to add this last piece here. And I'm sticking the tape like towards the center more and just adding a little glue and tucking these in. I wanted to be able to slide things between, the layers and everything so that I could have them done a little bit differently, a little separate, a little more dimension to the layout. And I do only do the little edges like always with me. I have another floral cutout that's down below the cookies. And at the moment, I cannot see what that pink one says. But I'm going to add these little banner pieces over here to the right-hand side. And I'm going to add 2 to start with, but I will add a third one later on. You see it up there to the right-hand side. Right now, I'm just trying to make sure that I stick these down where I want them and tucked in. And I'm going to go ahead and stick my photo down now. And I do kind of hate that I covered up the splatters as much as I did, but I mean, it's kind of part of it when it comes to mixed media. Sometimes you do cover up a lot of it. And like I said, it wasn't a lot. It was just a little bit of splatters, so it's not really that big of a deal. I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. I think I already roughed up the edges earlier. Here in a second, I'm going to be like, oh, maybe not. See, there it is. Okay, I am. I'm going to stick this other little banner down over there, and it's got a bunch of cute little things on it like cooking utensils and oven mitts and stuff like that. I don't want all the white or the cream color, I guess you could say. And I thought I was going to use this, so I cut it, and I cut it too short. But it wasn't really what I was wanting. I want a little more of the red, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a chunk out of this one and keep it for the bottom of my layout. But I'm also, I realized I cut that way too big. And I don't want to waste that much paper. So I will cut that down. I'm going to cut it in half. But then I also see the stripe paper and I really like it. So I cut a strip off of that as well. And I'm going to just kind of mess it up with the edge of my scissors and then rough it up with my edge distresser. And then I will stick it under there. The only thing I think I wish I would have done is made it a bigger area down there at the bottom, because you don't see enough of the red for my liking. But I'm going to go ahead and stick that down as well. Let's see. See, it just not enough red for my liking. I wanted a little more of a pop of red, I guess. That's on me. I did it, so it's not a big deal. You know, I can deal with it. I'm going to also grab the gorgeous, gorgeous sequins from this month. And I'm going through and looking at a bunch of different things, but I'm going to grab these sequins and just sprinkle them here and there. And I'm not going to make you watch me put all of them down or anything like that. So, I think I just make you watch me sprinkle them everywhere. And I'm almost done with that. And then I will go ahead and stick them down off camera. I'm really sticking quite a few down. I really, really like these. I went ahead and stuck them down, and that finished this layout for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure to check out mercytiarakits.com. The links are below for the kits for this month and everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye!